Today I'm going to look at my income for January 2021 from this YouTube channel and selling no content and low content books on Amazon published via the KDP platform. And it's been an incredibly surprising month actually in terms of income. Normally sales dip after December and the Christmas holiday period, but things seem to have actually taken off somewhat. So if you're interested in making a second or full-time income, then watch along and see what's possible just using your computer or laptop from home. Also great if you're a digital nomad looking to create a passive income. Now, if you've not been to this channel before, then welcome. My name's Marles and I do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. And that's your money I'm talking about. And if you do like videos like that, then please do give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell to receive notification of when I produce more videos like this. Okay, so it's been an incredible month for both income from YouTube and income from publishing and selling on Amazon. Now, I know a lot of people find it, uncomfortable talking about money. It's a taboo subject, but I don't feel it should be that way. It bears no reflection on me or you as a person, how much you earn or how successful you are. And with online work like this, it just comes down to commitment and persistence really. A lot of people who are having success now were commenting on my videos from the start and acting on their dreams to create an online income. So don't have that regret of looking back in 2 years' time and wishing you had started now. Also, the reason I do these videos on income is that I find them personally very interesting and motivating when I watch them, and I always get great tips and ideas on how to create an online income. It may just be a little twist on what I'm already doing that can turn things around and double or triple your income. So it's not to brag and tell you how well I'm doing, it's to show you what's possible and to motivate you. And even if just one of you takes inspiration, goes forward and creates an online business, then my aim with this video has been achieved. Okay, so let's get on to the income streams. First of all, let's look at YouTube. Views have actually increased this month, as we can see here, from 123,000 in December to 175,000 in January. That's an increase of 42%. Now, my frequency of publication actually went down to just over 2 videos a week, but the views went up. The only thing I changed was spending more time on the videos, working more on quality, the thumbnails and the translations. Whether that's had an impact or it's just a bit more YouTube love, I don't know. But for everyone watching these videos, that includes those new subscribers and those that have been here from the start, then thank you. It means a real lot. It really does, and keeps me motivated to keep creating these videos for you guys. So my income from YouTube is derived from 3 components, and that's YouTube ads, affiliate sales, that's money I make if you click on a link in the description and make a purchase. That's on products that I use and can recommend. It doesn't cost you any more, but it brings in income to the channel and helps keep it going. So again, thank you. Then there's the third thing, and that's the product sales. That is from the keyword lists and other publishing relating products I sell in my Gumroad shop, which I feel will help people in this publishing business. You'll also see a link to that in the description below. Again, anyone who's bought from there, then thank you very much. There is an income stream that some YouTubers get, and that's from sponsorship deals, but I don't actually get any income from that. So, from YouTube advertising, those are the ads you see at the start of the video and you probably skip. The income for January was $2,182.95, an increase from $1,456.50 in December. The amount I get per 1,000 views, or RPM, is quite high on this channel. It depends on the subject matter of the channel and where the views come from. As this channel is about making money and creating an online publishing business, then the rate is quite high compared to a lot of other channels because there are a lot of advertisers in this niche who want to place their ads on the videos I create. Now, from affiliate sales, this came in at an astounding $2,452.51, a big increase from $1,387.87 in December, and product sales on Gumroad came in at $674.25. It shows here as $1,087.50, but I get approximately 62% of that when you take into account things like fees from Gumroad. If you're wanting to make money online, I think creating a YouTube channel and making affiliate sales is probably one of the quickest ways of actually making money. And you can find affiliate products to sell in virtually any niche. So, overall, my income from this channel in January was $5,309.71. I started creating videos consistently from around 1st of February last year and focused on the KDP niche from about that time also. So that's not bad after 1 year of consistently producing videos. In fact, I'm exceedingly happy with that. Okay, so on to KDP. Now, normally December is the best month of the year for sales and income, and then it tends to drop in January. But for whatever reason, I don't know, maybe more and more people are now buying online, sales were generally higher. And as we can see here, there were some really good days bringing in nearly $300 in a day. I currently have about 2,400 books published on Amazon, but most of my sales actually come from just around 10 books. In total, I sold around 3,350 books, which brought in a total income of $6,470.67. But before we get too carried away, there are expenses to take off that, and that comes in the form of Amazon ads. Now in January, this amount on ad spend came to $1,564.25, and that's from ads on just 3 books. Most of my sales come from books I've never run ads on. Now there's a little fact for those of you out there that say, this business is finished, or you can't sell books without running ads, or you feel desperately the need to start running ads. It wasn't until about, a year and a half of publishing that I actually started running ads. And then I used the money I had made from selling books to invest into ads and create more sales. So after taking off the amount for ad spend, the total income from the books was $4,843.42. That's an increase from $4,455 in December, which is amazing. Now that is income to me, and that will be paid into my bank account in around 2 months' time. Now I did forget to mention I did have an income of $22.91 from the sale of merch on my Merch by Amazon account that I haven't touched for nearly 3 years. Now in some of my other videos I also mentioned income from cryptocurrencies that I'd locked up in these sort of investment plans. But before Christmas, I actually took that money out and just kept it into normal cryptocurrencies. So I didn't get any income from that, although I've had quite big gains from cryptocurrencies actually increasing in price. So if we add all that up, the total for my online income in January 2021 was $10,176.04, which is the highest amount I've ever earned since I've started working online. So yeah, I'm incredibly pleased about that. And again, it wouldn't happen without you guys. So thank you very much. I really do appreciate it. Now, of course, I do have to pay tax on that amount, and my expenses for software subscriptions came to about $100. Now, what I like about this income is that a lot of it is passive income, especially the royalties received from the books. It's like the income that best-selling authors and pop stars receive, although, not quite as much, of course. So if you really grind and put in this work, or the work up front, it can really pay off for you, possibly for years to come, providing, of course, you don't try to game and cheat the system. This really is one of the biggest opportunities being given to us, whether you decide to choose this or any other online business. You can create a business with no big startup costs and no big overheads. The only costs are your time and commitment. Yep, there I go again, using that word commitment, but that really is the only secret. And another lesson to take from this is the importance of multiple streams of income. It's reassuring to know that if one of these streams got taken down, as many people on social media are finding out nowadays, then there is always the other income streams coming in, so you're protected that way. Now I hope this gives you a useful insight into how I operate my business and motivate some of you to really, put in the work and go for it, which is the primary aim of this video. It really is possible. You just need to create, upload and repeat and commit. Now Easter is coming up, so if you want to get started by creating books for this popular niche, then watch this video here. It will guide you in the right direction. Thank you very much for your time in getting this far. It's very much appreciated. And until next time, goodbye.